This is the 2027 Lexus NX 350. And it's not just an update. From its stealthy matte black finish to its futuristic lighting signature, this SUV feels like it's been pulled straight out of the next decade. Let's take a closer look. Up front, the NX 350 looks sharp, wide, and aggressive. The signature spindle grille is now more refined, featuring a deep gloss black mesh pattern that feels both premium and sporty. But the real highlight? A fully illuminated Lexus logo integrated into the grille. Clean, modern, and instantly recognizable. The headlights are ultra slim and razor-like, stretching horizontally, giving the car a focused, high-tech expression. Vertical LED accents on the bumper add depth and a futuristic edge. From the side, the design is smooth and sculpted with flowing lines that reflect light beautifully, especially in this matte stealth black finish. The stance is low, wide, and planted, enhanced by black multi-spoke wheels, low-profile tires, subtle fender flares. The slightly sloping roofline adds a sporty coupe-like feel, while still keeping SUV practicality. At the rear, the NX 350 goes full modern. A full-width LED light bar stretches across the tail, paired with another illuminated Lexus badge in the center. The taillights are sharp and layered, giving the rear a clean but aggressive look. The lower bumper features a sporty diffuser-style design, adding to the performance-inspired appearance. In motion, the NX 350 looks incredibly refined. Whether driving through the city or cruising past modern architecture, the lighting signature stands out, and the matte finish gives it a premium, almost stealth-like presence. Inside, the cabin is minimalist, modern, and driver-focused. You get a large central infotainment display, a fully digital instrument cluster, a clean horizontal dashboard layout. Everything feels intuitive and uncluttered. The materials are premium black leather, soft touch surfaces, and subtle ambient lighting that enhances the luxury feel without being distracting. The seats are wide, supportive, and comfortable, designed for long drives. Rear passengers get plenty of space, and the panoramic roof adds openness to the cabin. From the driver's point of view, visibility is excellent, and the entire layout feels refined and effortless to use.
Futuristic.
Under the hood, the NX 350 is expected to feature a 4L turbocharged engine, around 275 horsepower, an 8-speed automatic transmission, optional all-wheel drive, smooth, efficient, and typically Lexus focused on comfort with solid performance. Expected pricing, around $45,000 to $60,000 USD. Release date, likely late 2026 to early 2027. The 2027 Lexus NX 350 blends futuristic design with everyday luxury. From its illuminated identity to its clean interior and strong road presence, this is a clear step forward for Lexus. So the question is, would you take this over BMW or Mercedes? Let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.